Hey everyone, my name is Justin with Run Rod's Garage. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to reset the oil life maintenance light on a 2011 all the way up to a 2020 Toyota Sienna with a push button start. Now with this particular van, it is a push button start, so to turn the ignition on, you just press the start button twice without putting your foot on the brake. And once you get it all the way up here, you got to change your trip to trip A, then turn the ignition back off. Now, with it set to trip A, press and hold the trip button, turn the ignition back on without starting it. And over here on this little display, it's going to show you that it is resetting the maintenance state. And it's complete. And that is it. It's that simple with the Toyota Siennas. They have it done right. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.